In the Kitchen is brought to you by Food Services of America.
8:15 now. Welcome back to KREM2 Morning News on the CW22. We are in the kitchen this morning with FSA chef Alexa Wilson. And also from Tegaris Winery, we have Josh serving up some Spanish rice this morning and maybe pairing it with some beautiful wine here.
Yeah, this is going to be our Spanish pasta dish that we make in-house.
And we were talking a little bit in break here, Tagaris Winery down in Richland. Pretty rare that there's a restaurant attached to this winery too, right?
Yeah, we're a little bit unique. We've got our own little niche. We serve all alcoholic drinks. We don't just focus on our wine, but we are an estate winery, so we grow all of our own grapes, make all of our own wines in-house. So yeah, it's a very unique place to work.
And spring barrel tasting.
Yeah,
is
spring
coming
barrel's
up.
coming up this weekend. Yeah, this weekend for us actually.
Oh, excellent.
So yeah, we've got a band on Saturday night, which is going to be pretty awesome.
And you expect it to be pretty busy? People start coming out of the woodwork now that it's nice and warm?
Now that it's beautiful outside, yeah. Can't keep them away.
And half your restaurant is a beautiful outdoor patio.
Beautiful outdoor patio,
with
yes.
fountains and
a huge water fountain
greenery.
feature.
Super relaxing.
And it's always about 10 degrees warmer down in the Tri-Cities and Walla Walla area than it is here in Spokane. So you have us beat by about a week or so from our spring release here.
That's why wine country is where it is. And you got to get the wine.
You got to get the wine from wine country.
So talk to us about what you're adding here.
All right. Well, this is our Spanish pasta dish. We start off with our house-made chorizo. We make our chorizo in-house. Pork, cumin, coriander, a bunch of other spices I can't tell you.
That smells amazing.
It does smell great.
Thank you. A little bit of smoked paprika. It's smoked sweet paprika.
Little chili flakes
Little
going
chili
on.
flakes.
Give it some pop.
Yep. And the main ingredient, the wine.
And using your wine, wonderful, but it adds that extra burst of flavor.
That it does.
And then your seafood, you've got some fresh clams in there.
Fresh Manila clams.
Okay.
And some 2630 shrimps.
Okay. So 26 to 30 means how many there are to the pound for anybody who's looking for those shrimps.
And maybe trying to replicate this.
Yes, exactly.
I would just go get it.
Okay, good to know.
We're going to let that cook a little bit longer, and then once everything happens, it'll end up looking like this. We make our own pasta in-house.
Oh, look at that.
So
beautiful. I'm running out of time here quickly, but through the magic of television, it looks like we have one of these dishes ready. Oh, it smells delicious and it looks beautiful.
That pasta does look a little bit like rice. What is that?
It's our house-made spetzel, which is basically flour, nutmeg, some other things in it. But we make our own pasta as well.
Beautiful. Now, if people want to try some of the wine and for spring barrel release, of course, and maybe test out the restaurant, where can they find you?
Richland, Washington, 844 Tulip Lane.
And Tegaris Winery, there you go. It is 8:18 now. All that information will be on KREM.com as well. Thanks so much for coming in this morning, and good luck with the weekend.
Thanks.
All right, you're watching KREM2 Morning News. We're back after this.
In the Kitchen has been brought to you by Food Services of America.